Head west.
And yeah, we are good to go. And let's start. It's
Listen
fantastic. Oh
towards
yeah.
road closures on National.
Hey guys, I guess this is my first vlog, maybe. Yeah. So I am Ankit Soni and this is Samrad. We are planning to go to Varanasi from Bangalore. Road trip basically. As we already know, right? Corona condition right now in our state or city or in like full country. And yeah, so we are all packed with the items and yeah, ready to go. So let's see how it goes. And it's around 1800 kilometer to cover. We are trying to cover it in 2 days. Hey guys, so we took a break after traveling for 300 kilometers. So we are in the midway of Hyderabad right now, and yeah, so we didn't stop anywhere else. We just took a petrol and then just have a lunch. So far so good right now. Still to go 1500 kilometers to Varanasi. Right now he is driving and yeah, we are like exploring it. Cool. So next stop will be Hyderabad, I guess, and it's like around covering overall 600 kilometers. Let's see. Yeah, bye bye. Hey guys, so we finally reached Hyderabad, and the best thing which we found was outer road ring, and it was a amazing drive which Samrat drive, I guess. Samrat, anything about it?
It was a smooth, very
Yeah.
smooth.
So we stayed after that and have a lunch, a bit of lunch, yeah. Again, yeah. And now we are like it's around 3:30 around here. So we covered like 650 kilometers around from 6 a.m. to 3:30. Yeah, we stopped twice, right? And let's see how it goes. And we are thinking to reach Nagpur or Jabalpur for today, like in a day. And still it's 500 for Nagpur and 650 to Jabalpur. Let's see where we reach and where we stop. We are trying to reach Nagpur, but don't want to stay there because of COVID-19, because we have lots of cases in Maharashtra, and so we don't want to stay in Nagpur. But I'm not sure the road and the how it would be, and what about traffic also. In season, like if you want to see the outside area, I guess a bit of cloudy here. So it's not raining here, but yeah, it's a bit cloudy. So let's see if we can go in it in the same way or to stop sometime due to rain. And yeah, that's all guys. Let's hope. We are trying to reach tomorrow around 6:30 to Varanasi. But yeah, let's see how we go and if we are able to reach or not. Hey guys, so I didn't able to make the video yesterday, right? We reached around 10 to Nagpur. Yeah, it was like around 18 hours journey from Bangalore. We started at 6 and yeah, we reached around 10:15 to Nagpur. So yeah, so we were looking for a 5-star hotel, and so as per the lockdown condition, all other restaurants were closed, all our other hotels were closed. We talked to multiple hotels like Radisson Blue and others, but yeah, so there was only one hotel left named Pride, and we get into the, so basically we didn't book the hotel, like we thought like, we'll go and we'll check and then we'll do it. But unfortunately when we went there in the hotel and when we asked them like what's the condition, how it works here, so they told us like people are being here for quarantine, like people coming from outside India or in India, like, from other states, right? So they are staying there for quarantine themselves for 15 days, and then they will be going home. So it was a bigger suspect for us. Like we are traveling through road because of this only, right? So that we can avoid more like interaction and everything, right? And so yeah, so we thought to don't stay in the hotel, and we as you can see, we are in at petrol pump right now. So near that hotel we got a petrol pump which is operational for 24 hours. HP platform, HP petrol pump, yeah, correct. So yeah, we asked quite of time like can we stay here or not, but then we just put our car outside, and when we stayed in the car, we turn on the ACs, and then we try to sleep. So right now it's 5:15 a.m. in the morning, and we have to go ahead with the future journey. Hey guys, so we finally about to reach. It's around 170 kilometers from here. So I didn't get time to make a video. So it was around like we stayed twice. We started at 5:30 in the morning today, like second day, and from Nagpur petrol pump, and then we stopped at Jabalpur first. First stop was Jabalpur, and second was like a midway to what you can say like MP in MP. Yeah, so two stops, and now third would be Varanasi, and so far road was good. There are some like work going on in the midway, but yeah, all other than that was good. Also there was a one issue before. What was the place? Sioni, right? Sioni. Before Sioni, there was a reroute because of our roads are blocked there. So I guess this causes like 100 kilometers of rerouting. In that case, like we can be like more ahead right now. In that case, yeah. So but again, after rerouting and everything, like we come to the same highway, and yeah, NH 44 which we followed. So yeah. Overall, yeah, we are feeling a bit of tired right now because we didn't sleep like full 5 or 6 hours of sleep, right, for last 2 days. But it's fine. It's good to reach home, right? So that's the excitement right now, right, Samrat?
Yeah.
So he is driving right now, and let's see if I can like do more videos after this.